I have some Werther's hard caramels. Now we're going to top that off with some Jack Daniels. We're going to give that a good shake. Ideally, you want to leave this for 1 week. So we have some already prepared. You just have to swirl it around to get it all mixed together. I'm going to measure out 1 ounce of my caramel whiskey. I'm going to pour that into my jar. To that, I'm going to add in some heavy cream. Now I'm going to whip that up. Our cream is nice and whipped. Now I'm going to come place it into my piping bag. Now we'll take this. I'm going to start by placing a scoop into each one of my little bowls. We have some chopped pecans, some chopped apples, and some crushed caramels. Now I'm going to fold up the sides of my plastic wrap, and we're just going to twist that to create a little ball. I'll do the same with the rest. And we're going to place our little cream cheese balls here, and we'll bring them over here for later. I'm going to place my cream cheese here. In my baking dish, I'm going to add in my caramels, my pecans, my apples. We're going to mix all that together. We're going to come back with our melted butter. Now I'm going to come over to my dough. I have my brioche dough here. I'm just going to cut it in half. Now I'm going to take 1/2 and we're going to cut it a little bit like this. We're going to cut this one in half. Now 1/3 and 2/3, and this one just slightly larger. Now I have my water. We're going to spray that all over our dough. This is going to help our dough stick together. Now we're going to start piling it up. We're going to layer each of our sides of dough. And this is what's going to give our dough a croissant look, because they're not rolled like a croissant, but they definitely have that crescent look being rolled. Now we're just going to flip that over. In the center, I'm going to place my cream cheese. Here we're going to use apple. We'll use the other ones for each of our brioche. I'll place that in the center. Now I'm going to fold that over, and we're just going to pinch that together. And I'll bring it over to my baking dish. We're going to turn our sides like this. Now I have some that I've already prepared with the cream cheese in the center, like this, and now to the oven. And we'll place it in the oven. Our sticky buns are out of the oven. We're going to take our whiskey whipped cream. We're going to pipe that nice in the middle here. We're going to add some pecans all around, on top, in front. Now we're going to add a little bit of caramel sauce. A little bit more caramel. And now for some pecans. You can find all the details of this recipe on chefclub.tv. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Time for a taste. I'm gonna break off a piece here, dip it in our whiskey whipped cream. So good. You can taste the caramel, apples, nuts, really, really good.